Hello everyone and welcome to Travel the Globe, the channel for travel connoisseurs, explorers, and for those with a knack for adventure. You may make the most of your upcoming trip by reserving a room at a 5-star hotel that offers an unforgettable once-in-a-lifetime experience. These wonderful hotels provide private yacht rentals for hourly, daily, and multi-day itineraries with excursion possibilities that only add to the dreamlike experience. These hotels are located all over the world, from Thailand to the Turks and Caicos Islands, from Marbella to the Maldives. Keep tuning in to find out our number one pick, for it is a travel package deal that will blow your mind. Let's get started! Number 10 is the Intercontinental, Cayman Island, Australia. When you visit the Whitsunday Islands, you will find yourself smack dab in the heart of the Great Barrier Reef, a natural phenomenon that stretches for 1,400 miles. As a direct consequence of this, participating in a yachting excursion is not only suggested but also essential. Intercontinental Cayman Island is the most northern inhabited island in the Whitsundays, and it features a selection of private vessels with lengths ranging from 50 to 100 feet. Excursions to the most well-known destinations in the area, such as the Great Barrier Reef, spending the day anchored along the powdery white sands of Whitehaven Beach, or taking a sunset cruise with champagne and hors d'oeuvres are some of the things that companies like the Ocean Affinity have to offer. Number 9. The Ritz Carlton in Turks and Caicos. The opulence of a hotel brunch is hard to put into words since it is beyond description. This experience is made even more memorable by the Ritz-Carlton at Turks and Caicos, which has sailing Lady Grace as one of its ventures for Sunday brunch cruises. The hotel's position along Grace Bay, which is famous for its shallow, mild aquamarine waters, inspired the naming of the catamaran, which is 64 feet in length. It travels through the waters in such a gentle manner that it won't disrupt your delicious supper. In addition, Lady Grace is able to organize individualized excursions and pursuits for her guests, including coral snorkeling, sunset cruises, gourmet lunches, and trips to isolated beaches. Number 8. Seven Pines Resort, Ibiza. Ibiza is most known for its nightlife, but the island also has a reputation as a terrific location to rest, as demonstrated by the Seven Pines Resort, which features both natural beauty and high-end amenities. In addition to providing guests with breathtaking panoramas of the Mediterranean Sea, this cliffside property also gives visitors the opportunity to see the scenery from the deck of one of the hotel's passing yachts. The Ferretti Group and Fulvio de Simone worked together on the design of the Pershing 5X and the Pershing 9X, two futuristic yachts that integrate cutting-edge design components to ensure exceptionally aerodynamic and smooth sailing. Number 7 is Spain's Marbella Club Hotel, Golf Resort and Spa. Guests staying at the Marbella Club Hotel, Golf Resort and Spa on Spain's Costa del Sol have the opportunity to rent not just one, but 2 sailing vessels during their stay. The La Cruz and the Revolution are a combination of elegance and sport, as they come equipped with a number of contemporary conveniences such as a sizable solarium, guest cabins, and an outdoor shower. In addition, there are surfboards, paddle boards, and various other water activities available on board for use while traveling through the Mediterranean. Both luxury vessels are propelled every day by the wind, which makes for a scenic cruise against the scenery of the Sierra Blanca Mountains, Gibraltar Rock, and even the African coastline on the horizon. Number 6. Waldorf Astoria in the Maldives, Itafushi. Overwater villas are a well-known stationary method to view the unique marine life of the Maldives. However, the Waldorf Astoria Maldives Itafushi offers an experience that is more immersive with its 56-foot yacht. Day charters typically consist of activities such as cruises to private beaches for a day of relaxation, coral conservation activities, diving with manta rays, and exclusive sunset charters during which passengers can sip champagne while watching the blazing sun melt into the atolls. Getting a package deal with your hotel reservation is huge in sealing the deal with your next travel getaway. Tell us, who are you taking with you on your next yacht cruise excursion? Comment your answers down below. If you're liking this video, be sure to hit the like button. This will help support the channel and will boost the video to other travel enthusiasts. And now, back to our list. Number 5. Anantara Lion Phuket, Thailand. The Anantara Lion Phuket Resort provides guests with access to the dozens of islands that are located in the Andaman Sea. With its 36-foot Sunseeker 90 yacht known as Major Affair. Major Affair provides a selection of one-of-a-kind packages, such as a day spent anchored at Phi Phi Island, snorkeling in the Similan Islands, or a visit to Phang Nga Bay, which was the setting for The Man with the Golden Gun, a James Bond film that was released in 1974. Alternatively, you may spend the day lazing away on the sun deck while you make your way through a terrain that is characterized by mountainous limestone formations. Number 4 is the Hotel Maurice, Turkey. It's easy to locate the Dakla Peninsula because it is located at the spot where the Aegean Sea and the Mediterranean Sea converge. This is something that the D Hotel Maurice takes into consideration by offering guests the opportunity to charter one of 3 yachts in order to get the most out of their time at the aquatic resort. The 53-foot Alia open sea motor boat, as well as the 55-foot Azimuth, are suitable for day trips, whilst the 100-foot wooden sailing yacht UV Beam is ideal for a peaceful cruise to sites like the Blue Lagoon and the sunken city of Kekava. Both of these destinations are in the Maldives. Since open water activities such as diving, wakeboarding, and kayak trips are also available, it is recommended that you design your own open water itinerary. Number 3. Rosewood Bahama, Bahamas. SLS Bahama, Rosewood Bahama, and Grand Hyatt Bahama are the 3 hotels that make up the Bahama Resort, which can be found on the beautiful white sand beaches of New Providence Island in the Bahamas. March with more than 2,300 rooms, a multitude of restaurants, cafes, and lounges, as well as pools and the beachfront. There's much to do on land, but the adventures at sea are unparalleled. The 213-foot super yacht, Eternity Eye, is perfect for larger groups and longer excursions, including multi-day trips around the islands, and is one of the 2 luxury yachts that are available for private charter and can be chosen by guests staying at any of the properties. Guests also have the option to choose which of the 2 luxury yachts they would like to use. The 65-foot Eternity too often operates recreational day tours that provide opportunities for scuba diving, fishing, and cruising throughout the waters of the Bahamas. Number 2 is Pankrloud Resort, Malaysia. On this Malaysian island that is privately owned, the Pankrloud Resort provides guests with unparalleled vistas as well as access to the Malacca Straits. Its in-house yacht, YTL82, can be chartered for custom itineraries throughout the entire year. However, the Straits to luxury experience is probably the most well-known service that this vessel has to offer. This is a 5-day and 4-night charter that takes guests from the Pankrloud property to Phuket. The 85-foot yacht has a private hostess and a chef on board, and it is only available between the months of December and May. And our number 1 pick, Canavs IHA Santorini. Canavs IHA is a family-owned hotel chain with 5 properties located in IHA Santorini, and it provides a wide variety of vacation options, including sailing trips. There are 3 high-end yachts in the brand yacht fleet, and customers staying at any of the company's facilities in Santorini are the only people who can use them. From the most recent addition, the Canavs IHA Epitome, to the hotel that started it all, the Canavs IHA Boutique Hotel. There are many different adventures available, such as snorkeling at the Red Beach or wading in the clear waters of the White Beach. Additionally, preparing for events on board, such as love proposals surrounded by the Aegean Sea and private parties, is also an option. Following the selection of an activity, the only decision left for the guest to make is which yacht to charter out of the 3 available options: the 73-foot Alexandros, the 55-foot My Way, or the 43-foot Pardo. Planning is everything. So, if you're looking for a power combo of hotel reservations and yacht cruises, choose one of these 10 places to book. Which one are you most hyped for? Comment your thoughts below. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, be sure to subscribe to the channel and turn on all notifications by hitting that bell icon. Looking for more travel ideas? Check out our other videos for more Travel the Globe treats. Until next time!